I am tired, oh, absolutely tired. I'm just tired.
Jam from family, the Jam from family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Pick up yourself for the dear yard or your dear abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fam. It has been an amazing summer, but it has also been a very hectic summer. And my attempt to keep you abreast with us throughout our journey and throughout the different activities we're having as we are promoting different areas and places in Jamaica and giving people, especially those in the diaspora, a different look of Jamaica from what they normally see on social media. It was quite exhausting. And so after all of that, we decided that we were just going to take a break. We were posting almost every single day, except on the Sabbath, because we wanted to make sure that we were sharing the information with you as much as we could get it to real-time experiences. And so hence why it was important to us to be getting that information out to you in the way that we were getting it. We were also in the throes of the back to school and all of the preparations that comes with that, and a house full of children running about and keeping them busy with a range of different activities. And so we have now come to that point where our daily uploads are going to go on a break again, and when we get to the point where there are things that we are sharing and we want to keep them current and as close as possible to real time, then we will go back to more frequent posting. But we're just going to cut back on the amount of posts to about 2 per week. And hopefully you will find the content that we're posting to be interesting and continue to stimulate your interest about things that are happening in Jamaica or your plans to move to Jamaica, if that is still something that you desire. We know that there are quite a few people in the diaspora who are looking for information that can be helpful to them in order to get them to make the decisions they're making. Of course, by no means am I giving advice or are we giving advice. We're just showcasing the things that we are doing here in Jamaica. And I came into Eleona's room just to see how she's doing. And she's all alone in her room. And nicely working on it. And now she's probably doing some game or some other thing to keep her busy.
I'm researching for my YouTube channel.
Ah, that's awesome. Yes, guys, she has a YouTube channel that she's working on building up, and it's at Life with Eleona. Go over and have a look at some of the content she's already prepared on there. And I'm going to go and have a look in the living room just to get an idea of what's going on out here. Yep, so at the moment, that's the living room. And as you can see, it's empty. So there is no Kalel, no Keisha. They are off because guess what? Some are done, and then free paper bun. Then free paper bun till you can't bun no more. So that's the end of their summer vacation for now. And they are heading back out to school in style. So Eleona is going back to school. Eleona is heading back out to school. Keisha and Kalel are heading back to the UK, and they are also heading back out to school. So whilst they don't want the holiday for done, sometimes things like that just comes to an end, and it's their time to go back into the school system, and they'll soon be able to go back on holiday another time. So we're looking forward to their next holiday together and the shenanigans that they will get up to. But it was such a pleasure having them and getting to be with them and again for a little while, and I'm glad that I was able to have that opportunity, and I want to thank my sister for blessing me with the privilege to be able to have them for the summer holiday. It was amazing.
Yes, hello. Hello.
This place looks like a dump. Dump market.
Oh gosh, Kay just feeling sorry for her suitcase. I'm melting.
I'm not.
Where are we now? Back in
England. Mummy,
London, England.
Mummy, I'm being barbecued and I'm feeling warm.
Is it?
It feels like
It's actually warm here. Yeah. Only a part of it.
I just want to stop to just remind people, you know, that our holiday, we made sure that we were going to have a good summer break, because we do that every year when we were in the UK, making sure that the children get to spend time together and taking them to places where they can curate experiences, because part of living is enjoying what you're doing and enjoying the life. And so they are committed to going to schools, and they're committed to going to all of these different extracurricular activities that they do. And sometimes it's exhausting, and they log along and keep that momentum going, but they also need some time when they can just have free time and down regulate and just enjoy living, because sometimes we find that our children get so bogged down with responsibilities and different things like that, and we want them to have the awareness that life is actually to be enjoyed. That's part of the process of it, you know, and enjoying life as we're living is part of giving worship and giving honor to our Creator. So we want them to also have that, and so we make that effort, and in doing so we make sure we save towards it. It's one of those things that we know is going to be an expense at the end of the year, and so we save for it throughout the year, so that when that time comes it doesn't hit us hard, because we've already made a budget and we've put aside funds just so we can curate those experiences for our children and for ourselves. So now that we've gotten through all of that process of the summer break and we're back into school and getting the school routine, there was a lot of things to do to get back to school and the school preparation where that is concerned, and just getting back to a routine and a schedule. And now we feel like we've managed to do that. But in spite of doing all of those things, we were still making sure that we were, you know, filming, editing, posting, and keeping you informed with some of the things and some of the excursion that you and your family can have here in Jamaica, whether you are living locally in Jamaica or you are in the diaspora looking to return to Jamaica. These are some of the experiences that you can have, and many more. You know, there's a plethora of things that we can do in Jamaica to have fun and to enjoy without even leaving the island. And so for us, we've decided that this year was definitely going to be a staycation where we get the opportunity to explore Jamaica as best as possible. So today's video, we're just going to give you a mesh up of different things that has been happening over the last few days, because we sort of thought that we would take a little bit of a recording sabbatical so that we can just get ourselves back into the motion of just living and enjoying that process. We decided to put the cameras away for a little while and just give ourselves a little break from it. And of course, there are a few things that we've managed to capture. So enjoy the footage that we're going to share with you today. Give you a look of Spaldings over there, Mid-Island Pharmacy. I used to go there and buy books and other things for school sometimes. Just up ahead out there, to the right of the camera is Knox Hill, and Alfonso Davis is up there, and you know that shopping centre I recall, and there's another one over there, and the turn over here where that white vehicle was just going down goes to K Valley. It used to be a clock roundabout at the centre, and now they have this traffic light system in, and straight ahead down there goes to the library and the post office and back out of the town to the hospital. And so that's what it's looking like this morning as we are here in the town and taking it in our strides. And behind me is one of the supermarkets that I remember. So it's a lot of things in the town. Just wanted to show you what it looks like for those people who haven't been here in a little while and want to see how things are moving and going. At that breathtaking view. Wow, look at those houses over there. It's just so fantastic. It's like almost anywhere you are in Jamaica, you can see a mountain range somewhere. And it's always such a beauty how the sky just seems to kiss the mountains below. This is an awesome view. I could wake up to this every morning and just sit on a balcony and watch the sunset with that view. I was walking past and I saw this banana tree right at the side of the road. Can you imagine? A banana tree just at the side of the road. So I'm going walking and that's what I saw. A banana tree. And there are loads more where that come from. As you can see, there's another one over there a little bit further along the process of maturity. And look at this. Oh, that one there is just an avocado tree that I saw. There seems to be some on the lower limbs, but look at this. A breadfruit tree. Look at those fruits. You see those fruits up there? So Hurricane Beryl didn't destroy everything. There is food coming back. And they're growing up. That one there is an apple tree just on the other side of it, and just underneath is an orange tree. So right here in this little nick of the woods, this little section that I'm at, you can see all of that vibrancy. Yes, the apple trees there, you can see some apples coming up at this moment. At this point in the year, it's still fruiting. There's some food coming up there. And look at these orange coming up and ready for the winter season. It's just amazing how nature is rebounding. There is a June plum tree up there. Doesn't seem to have any fruit on it, or it looks like a June plum tree. Doesn't seem to have any fruit on it. And there is a cedar tree over there. And that looks like an ackee tree down there, but I'm too far away to be able to confirm that. This is a nice little stroll that I'm going on at the moment. Yeah. I told Eliona that I'm longing for some takeaway, and this is what she said.
So I said, you can take away the food I'll make you from the kitchen and eat it at the table or wherever you're going to eat it.
Yeah, you hear that?
And it's going to taste better.
So, about 30 minutes later, after we got back home from shopping, this is what I got. And I cannot wait to tuck in because it looks lovely.
The camera doesn't do it justice.
And I'm going to enjoy it.
The camera
Bon
doesn't do it
appetit.
justice.
I said I would do a video for you the next time that I have rain, or I see the waterfall that's been created right there, just to give you an idea of how much rain is falling in that quick period of time that it's coming down. And I just relish the sound of rain falling down. So soothing and relaxing. You can see it there, pouring down, and the mist has just covered the mountains. Normally, beyond that tree would be the view of the mountains, and the mist has just come in and sit on top of it now, so you can't even see anything beyond the tree. Just some remarkable experience. Sometimes you need to just take stock of these little things that we sometimes overlook, that are just so precious and a part of an experience that gives us peace, add to our peace, and gives us joy to just behold. Can you hear that rain coming down? I hope you can, because it is such a music to my ear. I went outside and I saw some peppers, so I picked them and brought them in because I was going to do my season blend, so I've got them here to use. And I looked up at the ackee tree because I've been watching it from the other day to see if I'll be able to harvest any, and I went up and I found some, and this is it. I've got 2 portions of it. I'm going to put one portion in the freezer, and then I'm going to consider when I'm going to cook the next portion, but it will be soon. And then at least I have one for when I'm ready to have it, and I can eat them whenever I'm ready. It's so awesome to go and just pick it from a tree in your backyard. Fantastic. I came out this morning and I was smelling something cooking in the air. And so I came out, and when I did, this is what I saw that I was receiving. Herbal tea, waffles, and eggs. Courtesy of Madame Eliona. Thank you.
You're welcome. The Johnson family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Johnson family, the Johnson family, yeah. Johnson, come hang with me. The Johnson family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Johnson family, the Johnson family, yeah. Johnson, come hang with me.
Thank you so much for your continued support. We appreciate it, and we will continue to see how we can showcase Jamaica in the best way possible, and at the same time showcase our experience, how we are living here in Jamaica. And just bear in mind that the lifestyle we're trying to curate for ourselves here in Jamaica is one of simplicity and minimalism, where we can enjoy ourselves to the fullest and be able to continue to do so for years to come, because this is our plan to be here and to be in Jamaica, and we want to do that in good form that is suitable for us. And we encourage people to look at the ways in which they could return to Jamaica and be able to enjoy living here, should that become something they do. And if you're considering moving to Jamaica, you might want to think about how you can make that transition without having to think of an exorbitant bill for you to be able to survive and live in Jamaica. Because living in Jamaica is very, very much an enjoyable experience. You know, there are of course problems in lots of different areas, like there are in other countries. However, when you are able to live here, you're actually able to live, if that's what you decide that you want to do. So thank you for staying with us here on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. We appreciate you. We value your consistency, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.